Everyone, welcome to Think STEM Hub. We have another factorial problem here, and I've been solving similar problems in my previous videos. So I'll start by introducing the concept of factorial again. If we have 5 factorial, we can write it as 5 times 4 factorial. So I have n here, so I will have to make this and this in terms of n. So I'll use this analogy for them. That is, if I have n plus 1 factorial is the same thing as n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial. Then I will stop there. And the n factorial that I have here could also be written as n times n minus 1 factorial. Can you see? I have n minus 1 factorial, I have it here, and I have n here, so I have n here. So I'll plug that back into the main question to have n divided n plus 1 and n minus 1 factorial is equals to n factorial is equals to n times n minus 1 factorial plus 120n. You can see that n is common to both left and the right hand side, so that n cancel out and the equation will be 1 n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial is equals to n minus 1 factorial plus 120. So I'll collect like terms from here to have n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial is equals to 120. From here, n minus 1 factorial is common. I'll factorize it out. I'll give me n plus 1 here. Then all of this will be minus 1 is equals to 120, and that is an n minus 1 factorial. The n cancel n times n is 120. And if you look at this side here, it's the same thing as 5 factorial. 120 is the same thing as 5 factorial. So I will have n minus 1 factorial times n is 5 factorial. Then recall, if I have n factorial, it's the same thing as saying n times n minus 1 factorial. So I will replace this with n factorial is equals to 5 factorial, and my n is 5. And that's the end of the question. Don't forget to like, share, comment.